Yo, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Nicholas Beatmaker and I'm back with another video. So guys, in today's video I want to show you this drill beat. Like if I make drill guitar beat for Central C, you understand. But anyways, before I can show you the drill beat, before we can open FL Studio Mobile. So you guys, you think like I'm just an FL Studio Mobile producer. I don't produce music also on PC. Bro, I do, bro. Just that my PC currently is jammed. My PC currently is jammed and I'm still trying to fix it and do all those things, blah blah blah. But anyways, if I can show you my PC, which I used to use, you can see I used to use this PC, Lenovo. But like the terrible thing about it is the fact that it's kind of like broken, bro. You don't want to buy my beats, guys. Like you can see it's broken, man. Like I'm still trying to fix it. I'm still trying to get some money, fix it. But anyways, man, I love making music, man, and I feel like I need to upgrade. And I just can't like stop making music on FL Studio Mobile, even though I get a new PC. You understand? I'll just try to balance between the two. I'll make music on FL Studio, I'll make music on FL Studio Mobile. So I'll be making tutorials combining the two. And it's just the same thing. It's FL Studio end of the day, you understand? But this was my PC, bro. Like, bro, I miss this PC, to be honest, man. Like, I used to use it before. Actually, I was using FL Studio Mobile on PC, right? But I was like, nah, maybe if I can get a tablet, like, it will be like good, you understand? But this your boy Nicholas Beatmaker, man. And by the way, thanks for the like exponential growth, guys. We're growing, guys. Please like, support and subscribe to this channel so that I can be able to afford to buy something like this, a PC. But anyways, I'm talking about a new PC. But anyways, this one was the best PC, man. I remember Lenovo. I was using Windows 10, but anyways, now I'm using Android 6. But it doesn't matter. What matters is to make sure we produce. You understand? But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Let me open FL Studio Mobile and show you this drill beat which I made for Central C. It's kind of like a drill guitar beat, kind of crazy too because it's a drill. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. Let's get it.
Nicholas on this beat, yeah.
Nicholas on this beat, yeah. So guys, this kind of like a Central C drill type beat, you understand? But anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section if you love this drill beat, yeah. And if you want to buy the beat, let's talk, man. All my details is in the description.
Nicholas on this beat, yeah. Nicholas on this beat, yeah.
Yeah, man, this is hard for real, man. This is hard. It's like lately I've been like liking drill beats a lot, man. I've been making drill beats. I've been loving the sound, bro. Like traditionally I make trap beats, but like drill beats is not my sound. But like I'm still learning. I'm still growing. But anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.